first thing what you do is adjust the eyepiece of the telescope so that the crosswires are clearly seen. You can see the crosswires here in the video. Usually in the modern spectrometers what we have out here, the eyepiece is already adjusted at the optimal position. So you may not have to do the adjustment for getting the crosswires in view. Once the crosswires are seen in the through the eyepiece, then what you have to do is turn the telescope to a distant object and then focus the telescope knob so that a clear image of the distant object is seen. So I am going to do that. So you will be able to see the trees at the far away distance. So you will be able to see the leaves of the tree which is in the opposite side. Once you have done this, this completes the telescope adjustment. Once you have done the telescope adjustment, bring the telescope in line with the collimator and keep the collimator. Immediately you will see that you will be able to see the unfocused image of the slit on the collimator. Now what you have to do is turn the knob on the collimator till the edges of the slit becomes sharply in view. So you can see that right now the edges of the slit are sharply in view, and after that if you want you can narrow the slit. I am narrowing the slit now till you get an optimal width for the spectrometer. So you can see that. Let me just put the clothes on the telescope so you'll be able to see it more clearly. So you are able to see the crosswire and the slit, and you will also notice that the edges of the slit are sharply seen. This concludes the adjustment for the telescope as well as the collimator.